Okay, here's a little tip for when you're installing some sink taps. Now, I've installed this one already. I'm about to install this one. Now, you notice you have a hole. These holes are always too big. This is a standard basin sink. So you put that in there, and straight away, it's all over the place. So when you try and nut it up from there, you've got to wear a centre. Now, a lot of people have put silicone around them and it's messy. So here's a quick tip. You're clearly taking an old tap off, or if you're not, try and get some nuts. So I'm just gonna put this on. I'm gonna take this nut off. Clearly. I came across this idea accidentally this evening, and I thought, you know, it's worth sharing. So this nut here, I put onto here, slapped it down, it was solid, no more moving about. So that led me to think, you know, I've got the tap, so I'll put that onto the tap, which is there. So just give me filming and working with one hand. Probably not good, but you know, these nuts are easy to replace. You can buy these nuts spare, plastic ones. The one that's going on there is a brass one and a washer, so that goes on the bottom. So here we go. I'm going to give that a quick tighten. Once I get the right size, a quick tighten. So that is now on there. So, and then I'm going to put that onto there. So I push that in, and now that is not moving in any direction. Hence, I will now put the washer and the brass bit from underneath, which I've no need to show you the underneath, but you know, I spin it tight, and this is just, if I had been doing this without that locating nut, this tap line now would have been going all over the place, but it's quite solid, so you know it's 100% centre. So if it worked for me, it'll work for you. So thanks for watching.